an economy.
Absolutely. On page 9, you have leaders paying bus fare for voters from distant areas. And this is in their quest to ensure that the elections do go ahead and also trying to have the numbers. Remember, there was also quite a number of reports as to why Jubilee needs those numbers and need people to make that vote so that should the matter be taken to the Supreme Court, they have numbers to go by. Well, whether numbers will matter this time remains to be seen.
Time will tell. But that's a juxtaposition considering what's happening in NASA strongholds. When you go to the bus, bus stops and the matatu stages, fares have actually been hiked to about double or triple, and there's actually fewer cars going to this route. So seemingly something deliberate, trying to discourage voters from traveling home. But an interesting piece of events there in different bus stations.